Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my bitchin' kitchen, and today we're going to be making a vanilla cake, but instead of water, we're doing a mango white claw. Alright guys, so what we got here is we need 1 cup of mango white claw, half a cup of vegetable oil, 3 eggs, we got our cake mix, our vanilla cake mix, and we got our pan all greased up, ready to go. 1 cup of mango white claw. Okay, so first we're gonna add the cake mix into our bowl. And then we're gonna do 1 cup of mango white claw, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. And then we're just going to give that a stir.
It smells good.
It does smell good. Did you get vanilla? Extra? Yeah, I have that shit here. The other one's delicious. Mine looks sexy. Yeah. Thanks, man. What was your tip? Yeah, pro tip. The more you beat it, the fluffier your cake's gonna be.
Alright guys, so we just got done stirring it for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's ready to go. We're going to put it in our circle pan over here. And we already got it sprayed with some Pam, some cooking oil. Alright guys, we got the cake nice and flat. We got the oven preheated at about 325. We're gonna throw it in there for about 28 minutes. Alright guys, so I just pulled the cake out the oven. It took about a little longer, it was like 30 minutes. A cool trick to know when it's done, if you put a toothpick in there, pull the toothpick out and there's no cake mix on it, it's good to go. Now we're just gonna let it rest for about 15 minutes. And we're gonna frost this bad boy with some vanilla frosting. We're gonna dig in. Alright guys, now it's been resting for about 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and pop this bad boy open. We're going to frost it. Boom. I'm just going to take off these little pieces. Alright guys, we just got done frosting. Now we're going to cut this bad boy open and try it out. Alright guys, so here it is. We got a vanilla mango white claw cake with vanilla frosting. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. Wow. That is next level. That is next level. You can actually taste the mango. Wow. Alright guys, there you have it. Give a thumbs up, please subscribe, and share with all your friends.